current ratio 2.5:1. State with reason whether the following transaction would increase, decrease, or no change. Let current assets be 2,50,000, current liabilities 1 lakh. First point, trade payable was included in bills payable was met in maturity, कि आपको मैच्योरिटी के टाइम मिल गए वो, तो आपको पेमेंट करनी है बिल्स पेएबल की. बिल्स पेएबल टू बैंक, bills payable be reduce, bank be reduce, means both are current liabilities and current assets. 2,50,000, assumed 50,000 minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 2 lakh divided by 50,000, 4:1 ratio improve. Next point, trade receivable include 40,000 which was received. No change because cash account debit to trade receivable, both are current assets, increase and decrease 40,000. No change. Company purchased furniture for 45,000. The vendor was paid by issue of shares. Fixed assets to share capital. You are giving share capital to the vendor for purchase of fixed assets. No change. Because this is not current asset, this is not current liabilities, therefore no change. Redemption of debenture, debentures to bank. You can assume debenture as a current liability, but this is not your current liabilities. This is always shown in long terms loans and advances. In some books, redemption of debenture treated as current liability, but this is not your current liability, so cash will reduce. Two lakh divided by 1 lakh, 2:1 ratio reduce. Purchase of goods for 20,000 check. Purchases to bank, no change. Goods increasing, cash reducing. Two 2.5:1. Purchase of loose tools against check. Loose tools is your fixed assets. No change in current. This 2,50,000 minus 10,000, 1 lakh. 2,40,000 divided by 1 lakh, 2.4:1, ratio reduce. Next point. Bills receivable endorsed to creditors is dishonor. When you endorse bills receivable to creditors, then this is your entry, creditors to bills receivable. But when these are dishonored, then you have to do debtors to creditors. Debtors will also increase, creditors will also increase. 2,50,000 plus 50,000, 1 lakh plus 50,000, 3 lakh divided by 1,50,000, that is 2:1, ratio reduce. Next point. 8,000 cash collected from debtors in full settlement of 8,500. Cash account debit, discount allowed debit to debtors. 8,500, 8,500. Cash 8,000, debtors 8,500. Cash add, debtors less. No. Cash received from debtors 8,000 in full settlement of 8,500. Cash received 8,000, debtor reduce 8,500. 2,50,000 plus 8,000 minus 8,500, 2,49,500 divided by 1 lakh, 2.49:1, ratio reduce. Next question. Current ratio in first case given 2:1. In second case this is given 1:1. In third case this is given 0.8:1. In first case, let current asset is 2 lakh, current liability is 1 lakh. Second case, current assets 1 lakh, current liability is 1 lakh. Current assets 80,000, current liability is 1 lakh. From the following you have to show either the ratio will improve, reduce or no change. These are three cases. Number 1, payment of current liability. Current liability to cash. Current liability 50,000, cash 50,000. 2 lakh minus 50,000, 1 lakh minus 50,000, 150 divided by 50, 3:1, ratio improve. 1 lakh minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 50 divided by 50, 1:1, no change. 80,000 minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 30,000 divided by 50,000, 0.6:1, ratio reduce. In same transaction, when the ratio is 2:1, improve, 1:1, no change, 0.8:1, reduce. Second point, purchase goods for cash. Purchases to cash. No change because both are current assets. 2 lakh minus 50 plus 50 divided by 1 lakh. No change, no change, and no change. Next point. Purchase goods on credit. Purchases to creditors. 2 lakh. Goods increase, creditors also increase. 50,000. Two lakh 50,000. Ratio reduce. 1 lakh plus 50. 1 lakh plus 50. No change. 80 plus 50. 1 lakh plus 50. 130 divided by 150. .86:1 ratio improved. Fourth case. Sale of goods costing rupees 150 for 2 lakh. Cash account debit 2 lakh. To sales 1,50,000 to profit. In each case it will improve because cash is also current assets and sales is also current assets. 2 lakh plus 2 lakh minus 150 divided by 1 lakh. 2,50,000 divided by 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 2 lakh minus 150. There is a difference of 50,000. 1.5:1. 80,000 plus 50,000 divided by 1,50,000. 0.86:1 ratio improve. Next point. फिफ्थ पॉइंट है सेल ऑफ गुड्स costing rupees 2,20,000 and sold for 2 lakh. In each case it will reduce. Cash account debit 2 lakh. Sales 2,20,000. Profit and loss 20,000. Means there is a difference of 20,000 minus 2 lakh minus 20,000. 1 lakh. 1,80,000 divided by 1 lakh. 1.8:1 ratio reduce. 1 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 1 lakh. 80,000 divided by 1 lakh. 0.8:1. 80,000 minus 20,000 divided by 1 lakh. 60,000 divided by 1 lakh. 0.6:1. Sale of furniture, book value 50,000 for 40,000. Cash account debit to furniture, book value, cash and loss. There is no use of loss and furniture because these are not current asset and current liabilities, but cash is improving in all cases. Ratio will improve in all cases. 2,40,000, 1 lakh, 2.4:1, 1 lakh, 40,000, 1 lakh, 1.4:1, 80,000 plus 40,000 divided by 1 lakh, 120 divided by 1 lakh, 1.2:1. Seventh, bills receivable endorsed to creditors. Creditors to be are, assume 50,000, 2 lakh minus 50,000, 1 lakh minus 50,000, 150 divided by 50, 3:1, ratio improve. 1 lakh minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 50 divided by 50, 1:1, no change. 80 minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 30 divided by 50, 0.6:1, ratio reduce. 8 point, we are endorsed to creditors, dishonor. Debtors to creditors, assume 50,000, first case, second case. 2 lakh plus 50, 1 lakh plus 50, 250 divided by 150, 1.67:1, ratio reduce. 1 lakh plus 50, 1 lakh plus 50, 1:1, no change. 80 plus 50, 1 lakh plus 50, 130 plus 150, 0.86:1, ratio improve. Next point, payment to dividend payable. Payable means current liabilities. Dividend to bank. Current liabilities and current assets both are decreasing. 2 lakh minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 1,50,000 divided by 50, that is 3:1, ratio improve. 1 lakh minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 50 divided by 50, 1:1, no change. 80 minus 50, 1 lakh minus 50, 30 divided by 50, 0.6:1, ratio reduce. Last point is bills payable accepted for 1 month. Creditors to bills payable, no change because both are current liabilities. No change, no change, and no change. In next lecture we will continue this type of questions. Thank you.